Good morning. I'm here with Dan Sofa, the founder of the aptly named Founders and Coders. I went through the Founders and Coders process myself, and I just wanted to find out a little bit more about, well, what's happening now. But for those who don't know Founders and Coders, who are they? Who are you? Why is it set up? Just a brief background would be great.
I'm Dan. Founders and Coders is a free coding school and also a freelance cooperative based over now in East London. We run this program. We take people with no background in software development, turn them into full stack web developers. It's a 16-week program. It's really intensive, it's really tough, and it's going great.
I wanted to know how the relationship with Methods kicked off.
Yeah, so it's really straightforward. One of our graduates from one of the very first courses we did last year, a guy called Kane, he just applied for a job with Methods and was successful. And when they realised where he had come from, that's when I met them. But they came to one of our open days. They then hired someone else from the same cohort, in fact, that Kane had been on, and then subsequently you joined them, and in total last year 4 people who had done the Founders and Coders program ended up working at Methods.
Let's say over the next 6 months, as you said, there's going to be 2 cohorts in that time. What do you think the future kind of holds for people joining Methods or for platforms that we could be working on?
So Methods is obviously a great place for our grads to go to. That's already been demonstrated. So I'm very much looking forward to more of our graduates going and working with Methods.
There's a lot of opportunity for the graduates that are finishing the course. So I think a great thing that Methods are doing is using Founders and Coders as a supplier as well, not just for the great people to join the team, but we're doing a website build.
Yeah.
And I've met the guys downstairs, they seem like a great pairing. So I'm excited to get that kicked off. How could someone else looking to do a similar build or relationship get involved with Founders and Coders?
That really just have to get in touch. I mean, I should say Methods have been really important for our development. They were the first employer to actually give something back into the space, and they also, more of our graduates have worked at Methods or ended up at Methods as anywhere else, and so we've got a kind of special historical relationship with Methods, but that really what we want are relationships with more companies like Methods who are interested in what we're doing, who can employ and make use of our graduates, and who kind of value our approach. So
going forward, when does the next cohort kick off?
So the next cohort, and we're just closing off the applications now. The next cohort begins in September, and then right after that it's January 2016.
So if we were looking to get more MVPs going on in the next sort of 10 weeks, that's when you're looking to bring on new opportunities?
Yeah, absolutely. So there is a cycle, although we will take on projects all through the year. Probably the best time to be looking at new projects is November onwards.
Nice. I mean, I owe a lot of the opportunities I've had since leaving Founders and Coders to yourself, as I'm sure the other guys at Methods feel the same way. If those guys wanted to come in, is there a chance that they could do speaking or presenting, or how could we get sort of more of a mentorship side of things going with Founders and Coders?
Yeah, so your guys actually have already came in and talked on previous courses, and we absolutely want to get our alumni back into the space, and I'm very hopeful that at least one of the Methods people will be coming to talk to and mentor our next cohort.
Yeah, I think that's a great insight to Founders and Coders and the Methods digital relationship, and I hope this continues to grow.
I'm sure it will.
Thanks, Dan.
Yeah, cool.
Cheers.